Day-to-day operations can be a messy affair within the construction sector. It usually helps to write things down. Pen and paper notes aren't dependent on device battery life, mobile reception or Wi-Fi. However, they are easily misplaced, difficult to share and sometimes hard to read. Whilst digital systems allow for easy access and collaboration, with real-time updates, alerts, notifications and secure cloud-based storage. Site Diary software allows you to securely record information that can act as a tangible proof of agreement in the event of a dispute. Information is stored securely and can be reviewed from any device of your choosing, so that you are not beholden to whatever has been written down in the engineer's or supervisor's paper diary. Digital timesheet, site forms and permit software allows you to convert existing Word, PDF or Excel timesheet templates into digital formats that can be stored in cloud systems and accessed via mobile phone, tablet or laptop. These are free to use with Gmail accounts, through Google Sheets and Google Forms. Digital timesheets enable staff to fill in and share their timesheets quickly and painlessly, with preloaded cost code lists, automatic table calculations and digital sign-offs at the ready. Site forms and permits ensure health and safety, quality and environmental compliance standards are met. Using digital versions of these grants access to pre-existing templates, as well as a data dashboard and analytics so that you can monitor compliance in real time, which can be crucial for making quick decisions. Even with regular inspections and proper maintenance, machinery and equipment can fall at any time. The internet can provide helpful advice for equipment maintenance, diagnostics and repair before or after a breakdown or malfunction occurs. However, there is no shortage of contradictory information online. DIY solutions to malfunctioning or damaged equipment may also be unsafe or even illegal and can invalidate warranties. If in doubt, stick to information created or endorsed by the product retailer, which should be available on the company website or in the form of manuals, guides and warranty agreements also. Simply put, digital tools can make operations run a little smoother, helping you to deliver projects on time and on a budget, whilst minimising stress levels within your workforce. A factor closely interlinked with both workers' health and safety as well as productivity. Many of the digital tools mentioned are available for free for individuals, but for medium-sized and larger businesses, paid plans include additional features, storage and security measures and are usually the way to go. Specialised operations-based tools that require a paid subscription include Tradify, NextMinute and Microsoft Office. If two systems have similar features, stick to the one that suits your company's best needs. This will help you to avoid muddling your communications, channels and redundant apps and programs. To see what's happening in the construction sector, as well as other industries, check out our real-world stories.